Good morning students, standard 12 accountancy. So in this video we are going to see unit 1 accounts from incomplete records, sum number 17. Okay, let's see the sum. From the following details of Rakesh, prepare the trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2019. So and balance sheet also on the date. So particulars are given. Okay, so stock also given, opening stock and closing, opening amount and closing amount also given. So stock, opening stock 2,20,000, 1,60,000, debtors 5,30,000, 6,40,000, cash at bank 60,000 and 10,000, machinery opening 80,000 and closing also 80,000, sundry creditors 3,70,000 and 4,20,000. The next other information also given. So other details: rent paid 1,20,000, discount received 35,000, discount allowed 25,000, cash paid to creditors 11 lakh, cash received from debtors 12,50,000, drawings 1 lakh, cash sales 20,000. So capital on as on 1/4/2018 5,20,000. So opening capital given. So in this sum we are going to find out credit sales and the credit purchase. Okay, so credit sales means we have to open the total debtors account. Okay, first we are going to find out credit sales. So credit sales, we need the credit sales, so we have to open the total debtors account. You know the format: opening debtor, debit side, so to balance B by D, opening debtor. Okay, opening debtor also given. So opening balance of debtor is 5,30,000. Opening balance of debtor is 5,30,000. Then credit side. So credit side by cash received from debtors. Cash received from debtors, how much? 12,50,000. 12,50,000. Then next, by discount allowed. By discount allowed. So given in the other details. So discount allowed 25,000. Okay, that's all. So which side is more? Credit side is more. So add this. So next one, by balance C by D, closing debtors. We have to write the closing balance of debtors on credit side. So the amount 6,40,000. 6,40,000. So total 19,15,000. 19,15,000. So 19,15,000 minus 5,30,000, answer 13,85,000 credit sales. To credit sales BF. Credit sales. Okay, understand? Next we are going to find out the credit purchase. So we are going to open the total creditors account. Okay, so credit purchase. So we are going to find out the credit purchase. So we have to open the total creditors account. So debit side, particulars, amount. Then after that, credit side, particulars, amount. Okay, so total creditors account format also you know that. So opening creditor, credit side. So opening balance of creditor. So balance B by D, opening balance of creditor. Okay, so opening balance of creditor is 3,70,000. 3,70,000. So next, cash paid to creditors. Cash paid to creditors also given. So cash paid to creditors how much? 11 lakhs. Okay, cash paid to creditors 11 lakh. Then next discount received as given. So discount received 35,000. Discount received 35,000. Next closing debtor, closing creditors. Okay, closing balance of creditors how much? Closing credit 4,20,000. 4,20,000. So credit side, opening balance of creditors 3,70,000. Then next cash paid to creditors 11 lakh. To discount received 35,000. Then closing creditor 4,20,000. So debit side total 15,55,000. Okay, 15,55,000. So the answer credit purchase 11,85,000. Okay, so 5,55,000 minus 3,70,000. 15,55,000 minus 3,70,000. So the answer 11,85,000 by credit purchase. By credit purchase. BF, balancing figure. Okay, so credit purchase amount we found 11,85,000. So credit purchase find it. Then next credit sales also find it. Okay. So next we are going to find out the trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st/3/2019. So you know the format of trading and profit and loss account. So debit side we have to write first opening stock. Opening stock. So 2,20,000. 2,20,000. Then to purchase. Find the already found the credit purchase. So credit purchase 11,85,000. Then next credit side buy sales. Cash sales already given in the book. So cash sales. Okay. So cash sales 20,000. Then credit sales. Okay. So credit sales we found 13,85,000. Okay, so cash sales 20,000, credit sales 13,85,000. So total so 13,85,000. Then so cash sales 20,000 and credit sales 13,85,000. Okay, so next closing stock. By closing stock it's already given 1,60,000. 1,60,000. So credit side total is 15,65,000. 15,65,000. 15,65,000. Okay. So credit side buy sales, cash sales plus credit sales. So cash sales 20,000, credit sales 13,85,000. Next closing stock 1,60,000. Debit side to opening stock 2,20,000, to credit purchase 11,85,000. So in this sum we don't have the direct expenses, so no need to write. So we have to find out the gross profit. So 15,65,000 minus 11,85,000 minus 2,20,000. So the answer 1,60,000. 1,60,000 to gross profit. C by D. Transfer to profit and loss account. Transfer to profit and loss account. Okay, understand? Next, profit and loss account. So credit side by gross profit B by D, transfer from trading account. So the amount 1,60,000. So debit side, profit and loss account debit side, we are going to write the indirect expenses. So indirect expenses also given. So rent paid. Indirect expenses are included in the profit and loss account. So rent 1,20,000. Then discount allowed. So rent 1,20,000. Then debit side to discount allowed 25,000. So credit side by discount received 35,000. Okay. So indirect income discount received 35,000. So credit side total 1,95,000. So 1,95,000 minus 1,45,000 to net profit. So net profit 50,000 transfer to the capital account. Next we are going to find out the balance sheet as on 31st/3/2019, liability side and then asset side. So all the liabilities included in the liability side. So you know the liability format. So we have to write first capital. Opening capital amount is given 5,20,000. 5,20,000. Add net profit 50,000. So total 5,70,000. The next creditors. So closing creditors amount, okay, 4,20,000. Then come to the asset side. First one, cash at bank 10,000. Machinery 80,000. The next debtors, closing debtor 6,40,000. Then next closing stock, closing stock 1,60,000. So capital 5,20,000 plus net profit 50,000, 5,70,000 minus drawings. Okay, drawings is given. So drawings 1 lakh. So 4,70,000. Then creditors is given 4,20,000. So 20,000. So both side total 8,90,000. Okay. So once again, balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. So liability side capital 5,20,000. Add net profit 50,000 minus drawing 1 lakh. So 5,70,000 minus 1 lakh 4,70,000. Then creditors, closing creditors 4,20,000, 8,90,000. Then asset side cash at bank 10,000, machinery 8,000, debtors 6,40,000, closing stock 1,60,000. So total 8,90,000. Okay. Understand students? Thank you very much.